to start by giving a monster shout out to the city of Missoula. Wow, what a beautiful town, a beautiful part of the earth. I don't know if you can see behind me, but there's mountains covered in snow. This is exactly what I've been looking for in terms of a nice little getaway, and so thankful to ClassPass for allowing me to come in and work with their new hires, specifically new hires in the sales organization. We came in and we talked a lot about sales processes, best practices, how to master open calls, how to overcome objections, how to really be confident on the close, which is what so many of us are always struggling to do. And we came in, we talked about some very real tactics, some high-level 30,000 foot view tactics, right? So like more of a mindset shift. And again, I just can't say enough really great things about this organization. The way they think about enablement just really makes me happy to be a part of this profession. And stay tuned, more good stuff is coming your way. Missoula and ClassPass, thanks again for hosting me. What a journey.